Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what we are going to try to create today. Okay, it's look amazing. It has many things in it. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need to format the background and put the color we want. For example, we are going to go with this dark blue. After that, we need to create rectangles. One. The first is the bigger. Two. The second is a little smaller. The third. And the fourth. Okay, let me just reduce the size a little and a little. It's good. Okay, then select all of them each by each and align them center. Align them center. Align them center. Align them center. Now select all of them and go here and give them some inner shadows. It's look great. What we are going to do, offset bottom. After doing that, we just simply bring this to front, bring this to front, and bring this to front for this effect to appear. Now we need to change the colors. For the colors, we are going from the dark to the less darker. Let's go here and then the last one. Okay, we created. We now need to copy the text. This architecture text is some easy text I use by Overdrive Sunset as a font, and this format for the texture. Then we just copy the facts we have. 2, okay, and 3, let me just make it good looking, and the third one. Okay, everything is look great. Now we need to create the effect. For the effect, we copy that. We apply the background to all at first. We copy that and bring this thing down. And then we copy that and hold these two things and bring them up. Don't forget to create an order. Okay, this error is sometimes happened. Select all 3 of them and bring them up. I don't know what I do. Okay, now we need to bring this up, copy that, bring this middle and go to shape format, set the transition to morph. But the important thing is here, we after 0 second go here and select all 3 of them and set the transition to morph. Now let's see what have you been created. Let's do morph. Okay, it's good. Let's see that. You see, without a click, the menu is happened. You see, it's looking great. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please tell me in the comment and please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.